guys, it's Sharice and Bethany again. We wanted to go ahead and discuss the benefits of having a local agent. One of the best things is you get to deal with us when it comes to your insurance.
I don't know how many of you guys have ever like called up on the phone for anything and had to deal with the beautiful hold music and the lengthy waiting process, but I would much rather call and get one of us on the phone versus that.
Absolutely. Calling your local agent as opposed to a 1-800 number, it's so worth it. You know, we get to know you not only on an insurance level, but as a personal level as well. And we've created a lot of connections with our clients over the years. And for me personally, one of the best things about our particular office is it comes with free dog pets. So we've got Harley in office most of the time, and he is incredibly adorable, and all he wants to do is eat snacks and get pets. So that's one of the best things. He sure does. But in all seriousness, having a local agent is absolutely fantastic. You can drop in and, you know, pay your bill. You can pay cash, check, card, whichever. You don't have to deal with sitting online to make a payment or calling in and waiting on hold to make that payment. You can drop in and see us. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Evening, and weekend appointments available by appointment only. So we can be pretty flexible with that as well. Another one of the benefits about having a local agent is we're very involved in the community. Our agency owner, Cindy, is very giving. She, what did she sponsor this year? Was it the softball team, the girls softball team?
Yep, she sponsored the girls softball team.
And last year she did sponsor my son's baseball team. So she's definitely, you know, community involved. Not only that, but she was involved with the Chiefs Days.
Yep.
We sponsored the car show last year, and we sponsored the parade before then. So definitely involved in the community, and the absolute best thing, in my opinion, about us is our claim service. Farmers has award-winning claim service, and if you have any questions involving a claim, you can call our office directly instead of waiting on hold or trying to get a hold of your adjuster. Cindy does handle the claims in-house, with the origination of them, and she's able to, you know, guide you the best way possible, and she is fantastic at it. So those are for me, some of the best things about having a local agent.
Well, and Cindy is she's always working on your side too, because anytime we have anybody who's got an issue, I mean, there are some things that when it comes down to claims that people have issues with or whatnot, she is fighting for you, and she definitely
she is an advocate for you. That is the best thing, and it's amazing seeing that woman in action. I swear, it really is.
It really is. It really is. And just seeing her fight for her clients and for you guys and everybody in the house. And you know, we've had clients come in that have agents, you know, somewhere else who have had trouble with other insurance companies because they can't get hold of somebody, or they've tried to make changes and it just doesn't come across the same over the phone. And being able to sit down with somebody and really hash out the details and get that better understanding by just sitting and talking with somebody really helps with your insurance needs and understanding what somebody needs in their insurance. So that's one of those great benefits there.
Absolutely. I can't tell you how many times over the years I've heard, you know, the appreciation for having an office that is local. I mean, we're in Toledo. We're a very small town. We have insurance from Toledo, Olympia, Winlock, Castle Rock, you know, all these different areas, and we are a local agent. You know, they can walk into our office Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. There's always going to be somebody there. So, I mean, that's one of the biggest things that I've heard over the last couple of years, you know. Unfortunately, COVID did not do the world any favors. But the fact that we've remained open the entire time and we've been here to service our clients, it's absolutely fantastic. It makes my heart all warm and fuzzy.
Yep, and we just do, you know, Cindy's always out there helping her community and working the best for you guys. So
I was gonna say, she's got a big heart for the community. She co-founded the Toledo Community Foundation a few years back, and this is actually one of the years that we're doing Shindig.
Yep.
So it's a big fundraiser for all the kids in the community, and the fact that not only Cindy but so many other community members pour their heart and soul into this event to give back to the community. It's part of the reason why I wanted to work with this agency specifically is because of Cindy and the heart that she does have.
Yep, absolutely.